How to find products on AutoDS. So the first step is to simply go to autods.com and create your account. Now after you do that and log into your account, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add products. You're gonna see this menu on the left side of the screen, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on AutoDS Finder, and then you're gonna see three different categories. So you have basic, popular, and best seller. So as you can see, you have 3 sales per month, 5 sales per month, and 8 sales per month. So basically this means that in the basic category, as you can see, you get items sold at least 3 times in a month, then you have 5 times in a month and 8 times in a month. And after you select the one that you will want, what you're gonna have to do is simply use credits depending on the category, and then simply click on add as draft, and then you're gonna see all the products recommended by AutoDS. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.